This is Bridget with Bridge Connections providing a tour of Stateroom 15334 on the Carnival Mardi Gras, which is located on deck 15 midship and has an extended balcony. If you are considering booking a Carnival cruise, please research entertainment options, customer service reviews, and dining selections and how they compare to other cruise lines. Stateroom 15334 is a standard size with decent closet space. It has a mini fridge and water that can be purchased. There are no outlets near the bed, so if needed, a stateroom attendant can provide an extension cord for items like a CPAP machine. The balcony size was great for relaxing and taking a load off. However, it is located directly under the beach pool, and noise from nightly activities and deck movement in the morning could potentially be a disturbance throughout the cruise. At the same time, the stateroom is conveniently located close to dining options that are located on deck 16. Now, after researching cruises on Carnival and you still decide to move forward with the booking, the extended balcony category is a solid option. Simply choose a stateroom on one of the lower decks. There appeared to be a security camera right off of the balcony, which could be a deterrent for those who may not want to be in the line of sight. Thank you for watching the Carnival Mardi Gras tour for Stateroom 15334. Please continue to bridge connections through new travel adventures.